does not destroy the blade. It defines it. What you are walking through right now is not your destruction. It is your making. I thought the fire meant I was being destroyed. I thought the hammer meant the promise was void. But ore does not become a blade in comfort and ease. The sword is only made in what the forge decrees.
Every blow was not against me, it was for me. Every heated hour shaped what I was meant to be. The blacksmith knew the blade before it left the coal. He was crafting something deadly from my soul. The forging of the blade is not a punishment. The fire is not destruction. It is refinement. I am not being broken. I am being made. I will come forth as gold. I will emerge as a blade. The forging of the blade. Every hammer blow was grace. I trust the hands that hold me in this furnace place.
Job came out the other side and saw his God had won. What the enemy meant for ruin, the refiner called it done.
I have walked through the fire and I did not burn. The blacksmith never left, he was there at every turn. The forging of the blade is not a punishment. The fire is not destruction, it is refinement. I am not being broken, I am being made. I will come forth as gold.
I will emerge as a blade.
The forging of the blade.
Every hammer blow was grace. I trust the hands that hold me in this furnace place. He knows the way that I take. When he has tested me, I will come forth as gold. I will not become ash in this fire. I will become what he always knew I was.
The forging of the blade is feast. The fire's done what fire was sent to do. I am not the same soul that entered the furnace. I am the warrior, the blacksmith always knew. The forging of the blade.
Every hammer blow was grace. I come forth as gold. I emerge as a blade. The blade is ready. The warrior is here. Forged by fire. Refined by the king's own hand.